I'm Cinthia. Do you like to get allowance? I love my allowance. If you get 20,000 won in 1 week, what should you use it then? I use my allowance. First, I send my half of allowance to save poor people's. I want it because I know some people are live very hard, and I know they doesn't have a lot of money. I learn in TV and book. Example, like African trip program or some books is talking about poor peoples. And I think people should live interesting life. However, they doesn't have any interesting. The poor people just work or earn money in their life. That sounds so boring and tired. So I want to help other peoples. A lot of people live in pain. I think I'll help them. Secondly, I'm saving money in my passbook. I have a lot of reasons. I saving money in my passbook because when I raise or saving a lot of money, my mother give me a little present like notes or cute stickers. I like that. When I get that present, I always surprise. Example, when I finish my academy like CDI, I saw the little present in my desk. I'm so surprised and happy, and I put it in my present box, or I use it. I always use my present very good way. In conclusion, first I send my half of allowance to save poor people. Secondly, I have my money in my passbook. This is my presentation about what did I use my allowance. 20,000 won for 1 week. Thank you for listening so much my presentation.